Video is recording.
Oh yeah, it is
Yeah.
recording.
Video, video.
Yeah, you guys send it to me later. So, Dad, what are we looking for again?
Waterfall, but I don't see any.
Whoa.
Waterfall seems too small over there. The one we saw right there?
Oh, yeah. It's blocked by the trees. I can't get it right now. Okay. Does that say right there?
There's no way
Stay
up
on.
there still.
Uh,
On the peak over there?
Oh, there's still some snow. Snow in the summer. Never thought I would. Ooh.
Snow up there.
Yep, there's still some snow.
All this sand right here is because at one point this was a river.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All this where the river will run. Or it might still run if we really have like major floods up here. This or this will run.
On those roads when we were getting here, would that also used to be a river?
But the river water will cross it, so it overflows. But that's why you see a lot of sand aside from the rocks. You see the sand.
Yeah, I know they say it's some dirt, so it's sand.
Yeah, because this is where river you can tell.
Yeah, cause whole path, no trees, nothing. Oh, look at that tree right there. Oh. So all of that water is just the snow that melted?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So, in winter, there would be like barely any rivers?
No, there should be because the snow melts year round. That's because of the snow and it's fresh snow, but it's always melting.
Oh.
But in the summer, during the spring
Spring and summer.
that's when there's more water because more snow is melting.
Yeah, because
And right here, because we hardly have water during the summer, when it gets really hot and most of the snow is melted, the water starts evaporating, the river gets smaller.
oh. I always find it weird how different trees, some trees have different color barks. Like this one, you can kind of see has like grayish bark. That one over there, you could see it has like reddish bark. Why is that?
Different type of trees. Different pine trees over there.
Oh. Which way are we going?
You want to head back? Or you want to keep going?
I don't know. There's three places this time. That one, and that one.
Well, it's a trail, so keep going with your trail.
Okay.
But be careful. Let them come up first.
All right.
Hello. It's supposed to be a creek right here.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Will it become a creek later in summer?
No.
No? Wow, so all this would be like a creek or a river?
Yep.
Whoa.
At one point, I'm pretty sure it was a bigger river right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You can see all the sand or the rock.
Mm-hmm.
There's some water over there.
Really? Let's go to it. Ooh, crow. Just tree laying there.
Be careful.
Ooh. Whoa. My feet are kind of they're kind of dirt. They kind of got a lot of dirt in them, so. Whoa. So this. Alright. I found a waterfall, but still pretty fun. Oh, look at this.
See how this tree grab onto rocks. Look at that bunch of rocks into this tree. There's
rocks really hurt, so don't wear crocs. Oh, that tree really.
That one they cut it off.
Oh, they cut that one off?
Yeah, that one they cut. You could tell.
How can you tell?
You can see the trunk. See how it broke? Look, let me show you here.
All right, look at it.
It was probably falling off, so they cut it for safety. So you see right here? Look. You see this dark part? Is burned from a chainsaw. And then they cut it to here. And then they came back. And you can see how this one is cut as an angle.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so they cut this one first. Boom. It's an angle. Right here. See? The angle.
Yeah.
So when they cut it, the tree is supporting itself on this. So then you come and cut it through here. And when you get to here, because this is an angle, the tree starts leaning forward. So they cut it straight. Then they cut a piece of it as an angle. That's why that's an angle. You can see how it's not straight. This is straight. That's not. Because they cut it straight, then they cut an angle, took the piece off, and then they cut it here. And because there's an angle, there's nothing supporting it, they start leaning forward. And it falls.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why. You first cut it, then you cut a piece like a triangle and an angle. Just that one. And then you can see all this right here that they're standing. All this is because when he pulled some of them out and left some of them. So that's why you see it right there too.
Oh.
He pulled it out and they fell down. That's why.
That's pretty cool.
So this one was cut and he didn't fall by itself. But probably was leaning already too dangerous, but they cut it. Oh, most of the trees they got cut, they didn't fall.
Well, that's pretty cool how you could tell which ones fell naturally and which ones got cut.
Most of the ones that fall naturally, you will see kind of the roots because it doesn't break. They don't break the trees in half like this one right here. See how this one fell?
Yeah.
But you could tell that it was right here, so look at the roots.
Oh, yeah.
So see, this one fell. You could tell the roots are right there. It
Yeah,
just leaned forward and it fell.
Closer, look. Yeah, that's all the roots
But
from
now
that.
look at this though. Look at this. This tree fell, right? But look at the tree. Look at that little tree fell too. But look at the branches. Branches are not dead, they're still green.
Oh, yeah.
You know why?
Why?
Because what happens in a lot of trees, it still has root in there. So the root, even though that this tree, if they don't cut it off, if they leave it alone, it's gonna grow on the ground. It's just gonna grow on the ground.
As like a log? Kind of
Yeah,
like
like a log, but it's just gonna keep growing. This one, same thing, because the roots are gonna go down to the ground. Remember, the roots grow, and they seek for water. And there's plenty of water here they'll get, and then the tree is gonna keep growing. It'll get longer on the ground.
So, what happens if this grows really long and it meets this tree?
They'll wrap around. You saw that tree that had the rocks?
Uh-huh.
When it was growing, there was a rock right there, so he just wrapped around the rock.
Oh.
Tree that got burned when it was like there was a fire here, so that's shedding all that burnt stuff already.
Oh. Wait, what's that? Ladybug.
A lot of these trees survive fires. See all those right there? Look, they're all black.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
See this one fell. This tree fell right there. Cause you see how he left all the roots behind here? So it fell off. But what they did, they cut it because it was too long, and then they just moved it.
Oh, so
See right here?
it fell right there, and it fell right there,
Well,
but it cut it right there.
It fell this way. Cause look at it. It was the other piece.
Oh.
So they cut it.
So they cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and now there's a rock on there.
It was blocking this trail. So they cut it. You can see how smooth the cut is?
Oh, yeah.
So that's what we did. Now you can see this one because it doesn't have the roots no more in there. You can see the branch and the little tendrils of the branch, how they dried because the tree is dead already.
Oh.
But you saw the other one that it was green and it was still green.
Yeah.
It's still alive. The roots are still on the ground. Hello. Hello.
Ooh, what about that tree?
That
you
one-
see, it's like it's kind of.
That one, it looked like he fell. The piece of the top,
Yeah.
which is pretty much rare that they fall off like that. Must have been something, or there's holes, so I'm guessing it was a woodpecker.
Oh yeah. Maybe the woodpecker did do that. Ooh, what about this? On song. Whoa. Ooh, what happened to this tree?
That one, they cut it.
Cut it?
Yeah, you could tell the
Yeah, but why is the bark all?
this termites probably got to it.
Oh.
Yes, it's all. You see all this right here?
Mhm.
All this. All that. Honestly, you know what that is? All this. All
What is
this. This is termite poop.
Termite poop?
Yeah.
Why are you touching
See?
it?
See how you see it falls off? Termites got to this tree.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is the purpose of termites?
Honestly, I don't know. That's a good question.
Like, do they like do they just take apart trees? Is that like their only purpose?
I guess. I don't know. We have to research that. I do not have an answer for that.
Wow. Ooh, what's
This
that?
one, it looks like it also fell, and then they cut it. Because you can see how the roots.
So they
pulled out.
fell and cut it.
Yeah, this. And then I can tell you how they wrap. They look. Well, no, somebody threw this one. Never mind. I thought they wrapped it to that. Somebody just threw it in there.
Oh, there's so many ants.
Mm-hmm. They're fire ants. Actually, this ones, they bite you. They're red and black. They really, really hurt.
Wait, red and black?
Yeah.
I thought there was only like a regular ant, which is like black, and then a red ant, and then the flying ants.
No, that one has. If you really look at it, go look at it. It's red, and then if you look at the belly, the tail, they're black.
So, which one's the most painful?
I believe this one.
Oh yeah, I see it. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Why do ants go on trees? Oh, you got one. Why do ants go on? Why do they go on trees?
They just go anywhere, wherever they could find a
Resources.
dry spot for them to make their nest.
Oh. Ooh. Wow, this tree. That tree's tall. I think that one stands out the most out of all of them.
This tree's probably about 100 years old.
Yeah, most of these trees, if you see them and you cut them open, you can you tell like each ring is like 5 years? No, I just got a ladybug. Some trees they just grow in like they grow weird. Like in different, like that tree right there.
Which one?
That one.
What about it?
It's like I don't know, like the branches are like all curvy.
Well, the weight on it, whatever falls on it, like for example during the snow time, sometimes there's too much weight when they're growing, and because of the weight.
It bends the branches. Yeah, cause look, those ones are like all bendy, but these ones over here, they're tiny bit bendy, but
Or
they're
also
like,
because something like, for example, look at this. See this one? That tree leaned forward, so the other trees are going around it. See how the one tree.
oh yeah.
It depends on the weight.
Whoa.
You notice? Most of the trees that are close to the water, they're green. And the ones that are far away from the water, they're kind of died.
Yeah, I've
When
noticed.
you're closer to the water, they're always getting water. They feel strong. See that tree right there? You can tell.
Yeah.
That one that looks like a mudslide. And the waves pulled it up.
How do you know so much about this stuff?
I just know not a lot. I just
Yeah, but like, how do you know that stuff?
study, read. I always like nature.
I'm more of a space type of guy. I like space.
And I always like nature. I always like the forest. I always like the country. I always like that.
I like jungles.
Yeah.
Jungles, they're like, you're more moist. More like, you have no idea. Ooh. They're more moist. Like, you don't really know what to expect from them. Because they got like more like exotic animals, exotic plants,
Yep.
woods, forests. I mean, yeah, we've encountered some rivers, but they're not too there's not too many of them, and you really got to wait till summer to actually see most of them. And
Well, that's here in California. But you go further up north, you'll see a little bit more. But also, if you go like on the East Coast and things like that, like let's say you go to Maine, or you go to even Canada, all their forests over there, there's plenty of rivers, plenty of water, all year round.
because it's more like some more snow, and
Yeah.
because here we don't really, except
Well,
for
this is in California. It's mainly desert.
yeah.
All this forest is the mountains, and yes, because it's higher elevations, you get snow. But the heat during the summer, a lot of this will get
Evaporated.
evaporated.
So
Especially when we haven't had rain in years, so all this rain gets saturated to the ground, and eventually you just evaporate.
oh my gosh. Okay. And then eventually it
Eventually it
evaporates.
just evaporates. It soaks into the ground and evaporates. There's not really a lot of river flowing.
Oh. Yeah, I just feel like I shouldn't have gone in that river. My Crocs are all wet, so I keep on tripping.
Not only that, but you're looking at the phone, so you're paying
Yeah.
attention. You're recording, you're not paying attention to the rocks.
No. I mean, every like 5 seconds I take a glance, but
Yeah.
oh, I think we're almost back.
Their brother dog, they can walk. Oh, it's rocky. They're bringing Ryder here too. They can't walk in all these rocks.
But when it gets like when you go more up, you can it's easier to it's not too much rocky, so oh. Ooh, a black ant.
Yep.
Oh, the cars.
Let's see if we could find a beaver. You guys saw the beaver earlier?
Oh yeah, the beaver. That was before he started recording. Also, where was it when we could kind of see the waterfall?
Oh, we passed it.
Oh, we passed it. Wow. Well, I think we caught some of it in part 1, so I'm not sure. Oh, ow. That hurt. Yeah, we really didn't see too many we didn't really see too many animals. That's a long fall. The bones would break, screen would crack, and might even get water damage. Yeah, it was around here where you saw the beaver, wasn't it? I know. I'll go right here. I don't think we can go. I think we might have to walk it. Well, we're playing the game. Spikies, spikies, spikies. Ah, spikies. See you later. Look at that log. Sounds like a barbecue. Oh, wow. Going back, it's much easier because more down here. Oh, yeah. Oh. So cool. Okay. Great. Wow. Oh. Yeah, rock. Yeah. I guess. Can we? Alright. Goodbye. Say it again.
This right here is an underground river. You see? It's coming in from the ground.
That's pretty cool. So, where that water comes from underground. Gosh. Dad, why did you jump? You couldn't let me hold your phone so you wouldn't drop it. That would. Oh my gosh, man. Oh, finally. Well, finally back to truck. Yeah. Nothing, I just oh, some leaf fell on my head. Disgusting. I wish I could have recorded us crossing that river. That was fun. I could make some shorts though out of that. Ugh. Can't make a whole video. Oh, finally. Car sweet car, yeah. So, if I didn't cross the river, I would have been taken all the way over there. Oh my gosh. Oh, good thing there was rocks, because without the rocks, I probably would have fell. But you didn't. You just jumped. What?
Big falls right here.
Why is it getting closed?
That's like the trail.
Oh, why did it get closed? Why is it getting closed? Huh?
Oh, this is the closure area.
Oh,
This is
where are
Sunday
we?
First closure.
Where are we?
No, this is NFC. No falls trails. Fall parking. Oh, here's where we
Oh,
are.
this is where we are.
Yeah, so we went this way.
But we didn't make it like full to Big Falls. So I think by Falls Creek, that's where the waterfall would have been. I still think we should go to the other area though, because the other area that we went last time. Yeah, because this area, it requires a lot more hiking, and there's not really a place to go. The other area, oh my gosh.
So now we know another place. Next time we'll come and we'll hike that area.
Alright.
We hiked up, now we gotta hike down.
Hike up, hike down. We made it. Give me a second.